I want to introduce you to Estream. It's a portable water-powered generator. It converts any type of running water into stored energy. You can get personal on-demand power with nothing but water energy. This is how it works. Remove the cover. Unfold the turbines and lock them. Hook and release Estream into running water. Let it spin freely to generate electricity. And it charges the built-in battery. It takes approximately 4.5 hours to fully charge one Estream, which can charge up to 3 smartphones, GoPros, or tablet PCs 2 times faster than charging through an outlet. You can also use it as a lantern with 4 different modes, even underwater. Estream works well even in weak current or behind a kayak, and regardless of the weather or time of day.
Snoring. It keeps you from getting restful sleep and can be very unhealthy for you and those around you. Not getting a good night's sleep leaves you irritable, tired, and unable to focus. Ordinary pillows don't offer proper neck support, which can lead to pain. Plus, it's harder for your breathing pathways to stay open properly. These pillows are porous and absorb all your sweat and body heat, creating a petri dish of all sorts of bacteria, mold, dust mites, and allergens. Sleeping on these bacteria can lead to asthma, allergies, colds, and getting you sick. Here at Dr. Pillow, we have your prescription to a better night's sleep. The Carbon snorex, the world's first ergonomic 8-in-1 pillow with the anti-snore neck support channel that helps relieve neck and shoulder pain, reduce snoring, plus superior bacteria protection to keep out harmful allergens. Our first generation armrest pillow was loved by our customers with 5-star reviews. And now we've upgraded and made it even better. It's the only pillow with 8-in-1 technology that helps reduce your snoring with enhanced cervical support, which also helps alleviate pain, protects you from bacteria, and keeps you cool at night so you sleep better. There's the Carbon Bamboo Charcoal to absorb moisture and prevent bacteria growth. The Anti-Snore Neck Support Channel that helps open breathing pathways. Air Cell Technology for enhanced breathability and airflow. Bounce Tech Memory Foam that cradles you for maximum support and helps relieve neck pain. Infused copper for antibacterial protection and skin benefits. The Ice Cool cover that is cool to the touch. Air Vortex breathable mesh for enhanced cooling. And dual armrests for superior comfort. The Carbon snorex anti-snore neck support channel offers optimum support to help relieve neck and back pain, while it opens up your breathing pathways to help reduce snoring. Plus, it's great for everyone. Side sleepers, back sleepers, and stomach sleepers. The Bamboo Charcoal Bounce Tech Memory Foam provides better support, spinal alignment, and relieves your pressure points. The activated Bamboo Charcoal Carbon helps prevent moisture, mold growth, and allergens. The Air Cell technology keeps a constant airflow so you stay cool while you sleep. The pillowcase is made with our advanced engineered ice cool cover that keeps your body cool as it wicks away moisture so you sleep better. Studies show that you sleep better in a cooler room. Look at how much heat is generated while using this ordinary pillow. The Carbon snorex remains cool and comfortable.